lihtsalt vaatab. ja sealt tuleb veel üks. Oh, mida? Miski käed pärast ära. Ja. Tegelikult ma katsusin seda kutsut ka. Ta on nii pinges. Ta on nii kuldset. Tüüd, sa pead joogat tegema. Tere. Tere, anna käppa. Animals, everybody loves them. Võtan korraks jalanõu jalast ära. Mustu paus.
Keeping me at a distance. All that I'm asking for is forgiveness. Are you even listening? Am I talking to myself again? I've been staring up at the ceiling, waiting for you to give me some kind of reason. Are you even listening? Am I talking to myself again? Don't know me, your love, and I know that you don't know me nothing at all. Ain't no way I'm giving up on you. Don't leave me here in the dark when it's hard to see. Show me your heart, shed a light.
They are taking from there the rocks.
Oh, wow.
Excavating
from so high.
Pumping.
Colors are cold like our hearts.
Oh, that's cool. Wait, like that, yeah. Unicorn! Oh my god!
Yes.
This is the Bob. Oh boy! Oh my god! Well, this is scary.
Say so, say so. You know I can't live without you. I'm on my knees. Where are you now? Shed a light on me. If you love, say so. If you love, say so. Why when I call you never answer? I try talking with you, just you and dancing. I can feel you on my skin, but am I only dancing with the wind? I know you don't know me, your love. I know that you don't know me nothing at all. Ain't no way I'm giving up on you. Don't leave me here in the dark when it's hard to see. Show me your heart, shed a light on me. If you love me, say so. If you love me, say so. You know I can't live without.
It's a normal carpet and it's worth 500 euros.
Oh, snap, don't step on it.
This is closest city to Tabriz in Iran, and they made special knots for this one, and this is like 810 knots per meter. And give me that picture.
That?
There we have represented Persian poetry on some way. We have four most popular poetry writers from Iran here: Hafs, Shirazi, Sadi, Shirazi, Jami, and Omar Khayyam. They all talk about love, and they compare love to the girls and wine to love to the God, you know. And they want to close us to us how we need to love a God, like examples and all of that. And they are all prisoners of love, and they put the wine inside of the hands of Shiraz beauty.
Oi.
Lihtsalt printimise keskus.
Ongi nii, jah? Täitsa lõpp.
Where are you now? Shed a light on me. If you love, say so. If you love, say so. Shed a light. Shed a light on me. Shed a light. Shed a light on
apartment. Ta seisis täpselt pole pildi peal.